But first, crime has shot up at BART stations this year, in some cases leaving passengers badly injured. Good morning. It is Monday, August 7th. I'm Kenny Choi.
And I'm Marie Medina in for Michelle. Time now is 6:29. KPIX 5's Jessica Flores is live at Lake Merritt Station with the new crime numbers and why police are now turning to the public for help solving one of the latest attacks. Jessica?
Good morning, Maria and Kenny. That's right. We just heard from BART police. They've released pictures this morning of that man suspected of attacking different BART passengers in two separate instances. Now, they're hoping someone recognizes this man. Let's go ahead and show you the pictures. Now, the first attack happened last Thursday on August 3rd. A BART rider was sitting on the train when a man hit the victim with bolt cutters. Police say the suspect also punched and kicked the victim before taking off. Now, last Thursday, we didn't know where exactly this happened or what exactly happened, but now BART police say this happened between the San Leandro and Bayfair stations. Then 2 days later, on this Saturday, police say the same suspect was on the San Francisco bound train approaching the Embarcadero station when he started punching a man in the face. In both cases, police say the man did not steal anything, and they also say the attacks were unprovoked and that the victims do not know the suspect.
These attacks were unprovoked, which is pretty concerning for us, that our patrons are out there getting assaulted by this individual. So we want to get this information out to, again, our passengers in our community in hopes that we could identify him and bring him to justice.
And this is coming just as the San Francisco Chronicle reports that assaults and robberies are up at almost every single BART station in the first 6 months of this year. BART stations saw a 35% increase in robberies and a 27% jump in assaults compared to last year. Now, again, police have briefed the media this morning. They're putting those pictures out. They're hoping that someone recognizes that suspect and calls them right away. They do believe that he could attack again. Reporting live in Oakland, I'm Jessica Flores, KPIX 5.